test run of the Maytag Model DE806. I believe I was told it was made in late 1971. Light bulb inside there works. Pretty cool. I've had it running already. It's got it on a little extension cord, but it's not too long. 16 gauge, rewired for 115 volt. So here we go. So only dropping down to 110. That's not too bad. Operating at a little less than 1/4 of heating capacity than versus 230 volt. A little fluorescent light comes on back there. Pretty cool. I always wanted a dry air laundry that does that. Let's see, back here you can see we have that thing will focus. This iPhone is really junk. Look forward to replacing it with something good. About 11.5 amperes. My cheesy little connection here. Yes, it's warm, but it'll survive. Interestingly, here, I doubt it'll focus on all that, but it basically tells you here, I bet that's blowing on the microphone, isn't it? Not to wire it for a 2-wire connection. It's only 115, 233 wire. But all I had to do, you can see in there, is move those neutrals over to the opposite line. And if I had a 3-wire cord, you would then connect the center to the ground, which is bonded to the case. So anyway, the front gives a 115 volt only rating of 1500 watts. And even down here, if I can bring that up, it says ground here. It dates back to when you could run a separate ground wire. Pretty cool. Here's our schematic. Helped me figure out which side to move those neutrals to. So anyway, not a lot of heat coming out of there. 115 volt only, but then again, you want the heat going into the clothes, not into the air, huh? A while ago, after it had been running for quite a while, I heard an adorable little bell, and it shut off, and it was nowhere near dry. I had it on the regular setting. This time I set it to the permanent press to see what that would do. I don't know what those do. If they adjust the heat on 115 volt, it will make no effect, because I'm sure the heater is just on all the time. Maybe it's got different thermostats that it would use if it had 230 volts. But so anyway, the automatic dry feature does not work on 115 volts. It was nowhere near done. So I'm sure this will take a long time to dry that load with this much heat, or little heat. So yeah, anyway, Maytag. I don't know, cool. This Maytag over here, much newer, 1984. I'm told these aren't really very good, so no, I'm not so enthusiastic about it. I was gonna slide it in place of the Whirlpool in the garage or laundry room, because it has this button right here, gentle washing and fast spin. I love that feature, but the spin and everything is pretty anemic, so I don't know. Anyway, this was really all about that guy over there. I'll keep this one just because it's the oldest washing machine dryer thing I have. 1971, I was told. Cool. There's the big freezer from the same house. See ya.